Hello and welcome to you all in today's online class. In this session, we are going to learn about direct and indirect speech. We will also learn the definition of direct speech as well as indirect speech. Let us proceed slide after slide. In this slide, we will get the definition of direct speech and indirect speech. The definition of direct speech is when we repeat the actual words used by the speaker. This is called direct speech or direct narration. Indirect speech, when we give the substance of the words used by the speaker. This is called indirect speech or indirect narration. Now let me explain it with the example. The example of direct speech is, he said to me, comma, inverted comma, I am busy. He said to me, I am busy. And the indirect of this sentence is, he told me that he was busy. Here, if I break the sentence, he said to me, I am busy, I will get the two parts. One is, he said to me, another is, I am busy. I am busy is kept in inverted comma, whereas he said to me is separated by comma only. In this two part of the sentence, we are getting two different verbs. In the first part, we are getting the verb said. In the second part, we have am verb. The first part before the inverted comma is said to be reporting verb, and the verb inside the inverted comma, that is am, is verb of the reported speech. And the whole thing, I am busy, inside the inverted comma is reported speech. When we change it, we have changed the pronoun as well as verb, because the reporting verb is in past tense. We have reporting verb said, which is in past tense. That is why we have changed the tense of the reported speech. In this slide, we learned how to change direct speech into indirect speech. In fact, we learned the general rules of changing direct speech into indirect speech. Number 1 point. The comma and inverted comma of direct speech will be deleted in the indirect speech. Number 2 point. If the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, then the tense of the reported speech will not be changed. For example, he says to me, he is busy. Then it will be, he tells me that he is busy. If the reporting verb is in past tense, then the verb of the reported speech will be changed as per the rule of tense. For example, he said to me, I am busy. Now the reporting verb said is in past tense, so it will be changed like this way. He told me that he was busy. Number 3 points. While changing direct speech into indirect speech, we are changing pronoun to. For example, if you say, he says to me, you are ill, then it will be changed into, he tells me that I am ill. Here, you pronoun of the reported speech has been changed into I. In order to change the pronoun, we have a shortcut trick. The trick is SON. S is directly related to 1, O is related to 2, and N is related to 3. Now, 1 means first person, 2 means second person, 3 means third person. That means the first person will follow the subject, second person will follow the object, and third person will remain unchanged. In this example, you had been there, and it was the second person. So second person follows the object. So that is why you followed me. So you has been changed into I. In this last slide, we have the changing of direct speech into indirect speech according to the tenses, place, and time. In this chart, we understand direct speech, tense form of direct speech and the tense form of indirect speech, and the place indicating words change into indirect speech, and the tense words are also changed here.